Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, in the previous video lecture, we solved exercise 4a. Now, let's learn about prime numbers. A number having exactly two different factors, namely 1 and itself, is called prime number. So प्राइम नंबर हम ऐसे नंबर को कहते हैं जिसके सिर्फ दो फैक्टर्स होते हैं. एक तो 1 उसका फैक्टर होता है और वो खुद अपना फैक्टर होता है. दैट मीन्स ऐसे नंबर्स जिनके सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर्स होंगे, एक तो 1 और वो खुद, ऐसे नंबर्स को हम कहते हैं प्राइम नंबर्स. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. These are all prime numbers. See students, 2 is a prime number because it's having only two factors. एक तो 1 है इसका फैक्टर और 2 जो है वो खुद अपना फैक्टर है. Similarly, 3, 5 and so on. These are all prime numbers. Clear? Now, next is composite numbers. So, what are composite numbers? A number having more than two different factors is called composite number. Composite number हम ऐसे numbers को कहते हैं जिनके दो से ज़्यादा factors होंगे. For example, 4 है, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14, etc. These are all composite numbers because these numbers are having more than two different factors. Like अगर हम 4 की बात करें, इसका 1 भी factor है, then 2 भी इसका factor है. क्लियर? 4 खुद इसका अपना फैक्टर है. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे इसके 3 फैक्टर्स आ रहे हैं. इट मीन्स इट्स हैविंग मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स. सो दिस इज अ कॉम्पोजिट नंबर. क्लियर? Now next is coprimes. Two numbers are said to be coprimes if they have only one as their common factor. दो नंबर्स को हम तभी कहते हैं कि ये कोप्राइम है जब उनके बीच का जो कॉमन फैक्टर होगा वो सिर्फ 1 होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 और 3. 2 के फैक्टर्स है 1 and 2 and 3 के फैक्टर्स है 1 and 3. सो कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है दोनों का? 1. सो 2 and 3 is having only one common factor and that is 1. सो ऐसे ये जो 2 और 3 है ये कोप्राइम्स है. सिमिलरली 8, 17, 21, 23. These are all coprimes because they are having only one as their common factor. Now students, next is twin primes. Prime numbers which differ by 2 are called twin primes. For example, 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43, etc. are all twin primes. So ऐसे numbers, ऐसे prime numbers जिनकी डिफरेंस 2 होगी, ऐसे प्राइम नंबर्स को हम कहते हैं ट्विन प्राइम्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 और 5 ये दोनों ही प्राइम नंबर्स है. 3 इज प्राइम नंबर एंड 5 इज ऑल्सो अ प्राइम नंबर. एंड अगर हम इनका डिफरेंस करेंगे 5 minus 3 is 2. सो ये दो प्राइम नंबर्स है जिनकी डिफरेंस 2 है. सो वी कॉल देम एज ट्विन प्राइम्स. देन 5, 7. 5 is a prime number and 7 is also a prime number and 7 minus 5 is again 2. So these are also twin primes. Similarly 11, 13. These are also twin primes because difference is 2. And then 19 minus 17 is again 2. 31 minus 29 is again 2. 43 minus 41 is again 2. So these are all twin primes. Clear? Now students, let's learn about sieve of Eratosthenes. So using sieve of Eratosthenes, we can easily find all prime numbers between 1 and 100. This sieve of Eratosthenes method was given by a Greek mathematician Eratosthenes. So इस sieve of Eratosthenes के जरिए हम आसानी से प्राइम नंबर्स ढूंढ सकते हैं 1 और 100 के बीच में. और ये जो मेथड है ये हमें ग्रीक मैथमेटिशियन जिसका नाम Eratosthenes था उसने दिया हुआ है. So we have to follow these steps to create our own sieve. अपना सीव बनाने के लिए मतलब ढूंढने के लिए 1 और 100 के बीच में कौन कौन सा प्राइम नंबर है उसके लिए हमें ये स्टेप्स फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे. स्टेप 1 इज टेक अ ग्रिड ऑफ 1 to 100 एज शोन इन द फिगर. सो एज पर द स्टेप फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टेक अ ग्रिड इन विच नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 100 आर रिटन लाइक दिस. क्लियर? देन स्टेप 2 इज क्रॉस आउट 1. अब स्टेप 2 के अकॉर्डिंग हमें इस 1 को क्रॉस आउट करना है. क्लियर? Then step 3 says encircle 2 and cross out remaining multiples of 2 such as 4, 6, 8 and so on. Step 2 हमसे कहता है step 3 is saying कि आप 2 को encircle कीजिए and जो भी अब remaining multiples 2 के हैं उन सबको cross out कीजिए. And we know that 2 के जो भी multiples है वो even numbers होंगे. So जो भी यहाँ पे even numbers है हम उन सबको cross out करेंगे. So पहला multiple is 2 to 4, then 6, then we have 8, then 10, then 12. Then 14, 16, 18, 20. Then we'll this whole column is of numbers. We'll cross out all these numbers because these are all multiples of 2. Then this whole column is again multiples of 2. Then these all are multiples of 2. Then these are also multiples of 2. And then this last column, these numbers are also multiples of 2. Okay, so step third is now complete. Step 4 says encircle 3 and cross out remaining multiples of 3 such as 6, 9, 12 so on. आप 3 को encircle कीजिए और जो भी आप 3 के multiples है उन्हें cross out कीजिए. So 3 के multiples क्या है? पहला है 3 2 are 6, then 3 3 are 9. So we'll cross out this 9. Okay, then we have 12 that is already crossed out. Then we have 15. Okay, then next multiple is 18, that is already crossed out. Then next is 21. Then we have 27, 24, that's already crossed out. So next is 27. Then next is 30, which is already crossed out here. Then we have 33. Then next is 36, ये भी cross out करके है. Then we have 39. Then next is after 39 we have 42, it's also marked. Then next one is 45. Then next is 48, ये भी cross out करके है. Then next we have 51. Then we have this 54, ये भी cross out करके है. Then we have 57, because 3 1 are 3, we are left with 2. 2 और 7 बन जाएगा 27, and 3 9 are 27. So this is divisible by 3. Similarly, we have this 60 is divisible by 3. ये भी already cross out करके है. Then next we have the 63, because 3 2 are 6 and 3 1 are 3. And then next is 66, ये भी cross out करके है. Then next we have 69. Then the next multiple of this 3 is 72, ये भी cross out करके है. Next multiple is 75. Then next multiple is 78. Then next is 81. Then next multiple is 84, ये भी cross out करके है. Next multiple is 87. Then next multiple is 90, and this is already crossed out. Then next one is 93, because 3 3 are 9 and 3 1 are 3. Then next multiple is this 96, because 3 3 are 9 and 3 2 are 6. And the last multiple is 99 here. Clear? So we completed step 4 also. Now step 5 says encircle 5 and cross out remaining multiples of 5. अब आप 5 को encircle कीजिए और जो भी multiples 5 के हैं उन्हें cross out कीजिए. Students, we already know that numbers which are having 0 or 5 at one's place are divisible by 5. So 5 के multiples यहाँ पे वही होंगे जिनके ones digit पे या 5 होगा या 0 होगा. So this column, numbers in this column are having 5 at one's place. So these are all multiples of 5. And this column, numbers in this column are having 0 at one's place. So these are all multiples of 5. So we have to cross out these two columns. So this 25, 35, 55, 65, 85 and 95. And this column is already, all the numbers in this column are already crossed out. Clear? So we completed step 5 also. Next step is step 6 is encircle 7 and cross out remaining multiples of 7. अब 7 को हमें encircle करना है और जो भी अब 7 के multiples है उन्हें cross out करना है. So 7 का first multiple 7 था, वो encircle करके. Next multiple is 14, that is already crossed out. Then next is 21, वो भी cross out करके है. Then next is 28, वो भी है cross out करके. Then we have 35, that is already crossed out. Then 7 6 are 42, वो भी cross out करके है. Then 7 7 are 49, so we have to cross out this 49. Then 7 8 are 56, that is already crossed out. Then 7 9 are 63, 63 is already crossed out. Then 7 10 are 70, which is already crossed out. Then 7 11 are 77, so we have to cross out the 77. So 7 12 are then 84, 84 is already crossed out. Then 7 13 are 91, so we have to cross out this 91. And then last one is 7 14 is 98, and that is already crossed out. Clear? So it means we completed step 6 also. Now step 7 is saying now encircle each one of the remaining numbers. अब जो भी numbers आपके पास बचे उन सबको encircle कीजिए. So क्या बचा हमारे पास यहाँ पे 11 है. Then we have this 13, then 17, then we have 31 here, 23 here, then 37, then we have 41, 43, okay, 47, 53, then we have 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and this 97. So it means all these numbers which are encircled, these all numbers are prime numbers. So जो भी numbers अब हमारे पास बचे जिनको encircle करके है वो सारे numbers prime numbers है. Clear? So this was the way of finding the prime numbers between 1 and 100 using CEVO-Pareto themes. Clear students? Now students observe all the prime numbers here. इन सारे prime numbers जो भी है आप इन्हें देखिए. 11 is a prime number, 41 is a prime number, 61 and 71. 11, 41, 61, 71, these are all odd numbers. It means these are all odd prime numbers. Then we have this 2. 2 is an even number and a prime number here. Clear? Then 3, 13, 23, 43, 53, 73, 83, these are all odd numbers. This 5 is also an odd number. Then 7, 17, 37, 47, 67, 97, these are all odd numbers. And then 79 and 89 are also odd numbers. Clear? Sorry, I have forgot to encircle this 59. This is also a odd number. It means we have only one even prime number, that is 2. सिर्फ 2 ही है जो प्राइम नंबर है और इवन है. बाकी जो भी हमारे पास प्राइम नंबर्स है वो सब के सब ऑड है. क्लियर? Now students, I'll end this video here. In the next coming video lecture, we'll discuss further concepts and then we'll solve exercise 4B. Till then, Allah Hafiz.